Hold on, I went since gun Bob now for drive. Alright gang, what's up yo? Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yo man, me dep on some medication, make me feel dizzy and drowsy and all that type of thing. But remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and big up. Let me get the clarity. Please. Big up Kevon Arts. Dog tough. Go check out him YouTube, support the man thing. See me? Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Now, Spongebob gonna kill Patrick. So make we get into it. Cause Spongebob feel violated from the last clash. So come in. Gun Bob pull up at the studio. Hold on, I went since Gun Bob now for drive. Who teach Gun Bob for drive? Gun Bob make it X-scale pony tool? Is that X my man a driving now? Why he my man still? Spongebob, yeah? Gun Bob, you say. One Gun Bob. The alien brain are coming now, you know? That guy is book leaf. Please, you know, say serious. Alien brain activated. One Gun Bob.
Yo, Squid in say another word. Me murder the freaky star. Call up bad man name in a song and me a really feel for war. Ay. Yo, TikTok, your country. Portmore, Guyana. And show this. A we fire burn the most. Stop all of your song cause I lie. The only stars of me know are the stars in the sky. You know no bars you a try. Oh, you feel this gunman Squidward in your pride. You know no love for your life. Me catch him and yamp on a crabby patty. And smarty spotty madit. Yeah, me shot it up in a him. Oh, you a killer please pussy tappy yapping. Me tell Squiddy if he come me yappy shot him.
Gun Bob already redeemed, so?
Gun
Bob?
Cause him drop from the fuck start, he chat tired, he kept talking. From the cop shots, me tell them, I mean shot the star dog, me that brawling. Me bad from morning. Anywhere me go me G, them step on every ammunition in, we bad, yeah we have them. Anywhere in a bikini, me see you try run. I'll just stand up with your bad then. What this boy nah no book. Every day you get up, I don't look front for suck. Them a freak, in a bikini, them known for muck. So the please tell the freak, my win dad give up. Ay. No chorus. Posted it when the 4-4 bus. It's a rap. Counteract that now. Come a call bad man fish in a song. Go on, go look up your calf now, fake in a one.
Yeah. Crazy.
No man, Yama Baba get faced.
Well on,
Yama Bob.
I don't want to stop you. But me take that round here.
Plankton now war.
Kill him too, blood clot clone here. Hey Spongebob, watch how you talk to the star. Money make him a rough fly, go a Mars. Squiddy in nobody just enough up your blood clot self like say you wanted in the war. Seal by gunshots, slice up your pineapple. Bobby land, realize I know nothing nice something. You better tell a sponge who have to go buy coffin. Your Spongebob off it there if him try nothing. A long time me no like uno, so me have to pick my side and spike uno. Me snipe uno, make nobody care.
Yo, Plankton I kill him right now.
I know no, me rise up in 9 time me nah fight uno. Nah no money, little hype, them a try look. I want to the cashier and the fry cook. Such man a slave them out, and I pay them out, them a book mine in a night too. And when Patrick lazy, him still a make money like crazy. Team up on the star, so me jump na the war. Tell any one of them say fi face me. Yo, tell any one of them to step up and defend that. Brawling me a call on name, Gun Bob, Squiddy Bob, anyone on the pussy so.
Mr. Grams! Yo, make a pause right there, so. And let me feel drowsy or fuck. Sleepy? But anyway, yo. Kevon Arts, youth, you're tough. Continue doing more, youth. You see me? But I love if you do have some Sasuke versus Naruto and them thing that it do that tough. You see me? Some Jujutsu Kaisen and all them something there. You see it? But I give dog work a 10 out of 10. Man creative and the man actually put him creative mind to work, and you can tell. Now, I feel like Plankton delivery was just a little bit better than Gunbob. You see me? But I feel like say if you want, say you want Patrick side win because Patrick side ever have a better delivery. But Gunbob them bad too. Alright, now I get swell up. But I feel like say my name Plankton delivery was very, very well put together. I feel like Plankton take that round now. But comment down below and let me know what you think still. I can be wrong. But comment down below and let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe.